and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. So today I want to introduce you to a new product, and I ain't just a kid and it's a monster. This is called the Cheap Joe's Crank Easel. Not sexy name, but it is an extremely cool easel nonetheless. This is not for the faint of heart though. If you are in the market for a serious studio easel, you are a real, large canvas aficionado, this is a deal that you should not pass up. However, if you are a Cheap Joe's customer that has like limited studio space, or you have limited personal mobility, this is probably not gonna work for you. This puppy alone weighs 70 pounds. We will have to drop ship it to you because it is oversized, clearly. This actually doesn't function in an environment where you have like a standard 8-foot ceiling because it's so darn tall when you put a canvas in it. So this is recommended for larger spaces. But it is a fantastic deal. This will hold up to an 86-inch tall canvas, and it is not for just the beginner. This is faux real. It's an exceptionally great price. You will find others by other manufacturers in the $1,000 to $2,000 range. I can tell you that ours is just a fraction of that, and you will be super happy when you see the price that we're offering on this. It is made out of beech wood. It has a lot of really cool features. It has 4 locking casters, so once you get it in place, it'll lock down and stay where you put it. It's not gonna be all drifting around. Actually, you just operate with this hand crank. This is better than like a spring-loaded pen because this is so heavy duty that that's not really functional in this context. You just actually use this hand crank right here to adjust the height. The hand crank comes out so it's not bashing against your knees when you're using it. The other thing that's really great about this is if you want ready access to the materials that you're using all the time, it does have 2 little handy dandy drawers, one on either side, that you can slide out to get to material very easily. So check out the Cheap Joe's Crank Easel. It is a magnificent beast for only a fraction of the price, and we are sure that you will enjoy.